Hello developers, and today I will teach you how to make a game in Construct 2. We will make a platformer game, so let's speak about the interface of Construct. There we have some buttons: save, undo, redo, play our level, uh, debug our level. We have some paths like new, open, save project, save a single file, export, close tab, close project. And mostly we need new new object, new open, save as project, and export project. There we have properties, there we have objects that we have at level, and all levels we have. This is a code that we need to make, and that's all. We can zoom out and zoom in by pressing minus and plus. Try to add grass. Double click left button of mouse 2 times, then click on sprite, fill it with green paint color, then choose brown and choose the square button and make a grass. Let's call it grass. Then we need to make it solid, because player can fall through if it isn't solid. Behaviors, we need to double click at behaviors, plus solid, then we can make it smaller, wider. So let's make a grass like that. Let's try our game, save it, play. We have some little grass, because this is our territory where we see objects. See these lines? This is our camera. Let's make our player. Double click, sprite. Let's make him black and his eyes white. Make him smaller and call him player. Let's start our game, and we have our player floating in air and our grass. Let's make our player move. Behaviors, plus platform, and now our player moves. See? But he don't turning left to right. AVSD don't work. So let's fix. We need to add new object called keyboard. Then event sheet, add event, keyboard, key is down, click to choose A. Then add action. If A is down, then something happens. Player, simulate control, left, because A is left. Let's control the control. Here's D, here's W, right, jump. So now player can move by pressing A, D, V, and by arrows too. So make him turning is not so hard. We need to press on player, disable default controls to make arrows don't work. Then we need to copy this part of code, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Y, and then change A to left, D to right, up to up, and press to this box the right button of mouse, make orbital block, and make it all blocks. Then we need to add action. Player set mirrored, mirrored. This will flip our player at X axis. Our player watching to the right side, so he need to watch to the left side. So we need to flip him when we go to left, and not flip when he go to the right. Let's check it. There is our code. Now our player will move back, right, and jump. And if we jump at the left direction, we will jump with left direction. So let's add camera to our player. Behavior, class, scroll to, and let's check what we done. Now our grass is very high than we want the grass to be, because our player is move this area to himself. So if he goes here, area is become that, and we can see what underground. Let's make ground more higher. And now we can see what underground. See? So now we need to make a pit, because if player falls, he don't die. We need to fix it. Double click, sprite, red color, because it killed. Alpha 100, because it needs to be transparent. Then we move to the place we want, like here, and make it wider. Call it pit, and we don't want to use behaviors because we need to make some code. Add event player on collision with object pit, system, start layout. So now our player, if falls into a pit, he will die. Let's make this object invisible by pressing on object, then initial visibility, invisible. Let's try what we done. We don't see that pit kills us. Let's make coins. Double click, sprite, yellow color, make it to 255, and fill it. So now we need to make our coin smaller and make like shape of coin. name it coin. You don't need behaviors to coin. If player on collision with another object coin destroy. Let's check what we have done. Let's make more coins. Here, and here. Let's check. We have player. He can get his coins, and when we die, coins restarts. So now we can make some base level. Ctrl C, Ctrl Y. Make wall. We can make wall. We can make continue. Make pit higher, wider, thinner, and we don't need a pit here because it is solid and player can go through there. Let's make some base level. And make some space here because player, if fall here, he can go back. Make some price here, coin, price here, and we can add a slope. We need to make it wider, and we can grab it this thingy and return it. Let's make slope 3014 degree. Make it bigger and make a coin here. So that is our level. Let's check it. We can collect our coins. But we can move up the slope, but slowly, and we can fall into a pit. So leave likes, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.